In this video, we will learn how to use to-do list template in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. Just click on the File tab. You get here the More Templates option. Just click on that. You can see here the so many options available for the different templates. The business related templates, personal templates, planner and trackers, list, budget, charts and calendars. We're going to see the to-do list. So in list templates you get the to-do list template. You can see here the so many templates available here. We choose here the to-do list. Just click on that. Click on the create. You get here the to-do list templates. This is a task list. You can mention here your tasks as per the category. You can mention your category. There are some sample data here available. You can mention here the due date. You can see here the in formula bar is a today mention, today for function used for today date. This is a priority. You can see here the drop down list already available here, low, medium and high. Same as usual the status, you get the drop down list pending, complete and in progress. If you click on the complete, you get here the today progress is increasing. You can second complete the today progress is task summary. Today's show the which tasks you completed. There are three tasks you completed, the three in chart available. This is a simple to-do list you can use the daily basis for your tasks, daily tasks. You can mention the priority as per your work. Okay, so let's, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.